package params, I need to give them in a single quotes. Okay, so this is the actual issue. This is the one. So just make a change out of ansible playbook apache.yaml. Now this should complete without any issue. Okay. For me, it is completed. You can see. Okay. If I just try to connect to the local host without 8080, I should be able to see the Apache default page. Basically, we have written a playbook which will install a package, and I can see a test page is being displayed. And the same thing you can also see it for your other CentOS mission. Okay, we have a IP address, right, for the CentOS mission. Just try to browse that. You will see a test page there also. The public IP of the CentOS node. And okay, I will show you why it is the case. Let us go to the CentOS node and give sudo su and systemctl status httpd. You can see it is inactive. So the service is installed, okay, on the CentOS node. Okay, so actually the service is installed, but the application is installed, but the service is not started. Okay, but in the Windows case, you can see the package is installed at the same time the service is started. So it is always a best practice to start the services after installing a application. Okay, so let us modify our playbook to start this service. Okay, so here I am going to use two different modules. One is called as the service module and another one is called as the win service module. So let me edit the same playbook, and here I'm going to start a service after the installation. So pi apache.yaml -name start Apache on Linux, and the package name is called service. And next is name of the service. Name is the service name for Apache is HTTPD. And next is there is a concept called in Windows. If I want a service to be started on the startup, I need to enable it. Okay, so that option is called enabled. Enabled is yes. Next is okay, and next is going to be I'm going to say the state is started. Okay, I want the Apache to be in the started state, and I'm going to put the same condition when my Ansible OS family is equal to Red Hat. Next, let's talk about hyphen name start Apache in Windows, and the module for that is called win underscore service. Win underscore service. And to get the name of the service, it's always better to refer a command line. Okay, cmd and sc query. This is going to list all the service name. I think it will be in the beginning. Might be called as Apache. Just get that. Yeah, the service name is Apache. So let us use that. Name is Apache, and I want the state to be started. And let me put the same condition. An ansible OS family is equal to Windows. Okay. So I'm starting the Apache service, and in Linux, there is an additional option called enabled. That means on a restart, whether that service should be automatically started. That is what this enabled is all about. Okay, close. Okay on Linux. Close, it is okay. And then it is starting Apache on Linux. Should be reflecting as changed. Might be I missed the become true. Okay, yeah, this should be the issue. Because to start a service, you need to be a super user. Yeah, now it is changed. Yeah, everything is okay. And if I browse this page, now I should see a Apache default page. Yes.